5 lines on World Nature Conservation Day for primary classes. Every year, World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28th July. The day aims to promote the importance of nature for humans. Nature gives us all things that are required for a healthy living. Conservation of nature refers to the conservation of those resources which are available naturally. Conservation of nature also includes saving the living species of plants and animals from extinction. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.